Looking for the best welding machine in 2026? In this video, we review 5 of the top welding machines designed for professionals, workshops, and DIY enthusiasts. From multi-process MIG, TIG, MMA, and Flux Core welders to compact inverter models, these machines deliver reliable performance, precise control, efficient power management, and outstanding versatility for a wide range of welding applications. Number 5. 3-in-1 Gasless MIG/ARC/MMA Welding Machine. Designed for portability and convenience, this 3-in-1 welding machine supports gasless flux core MIG, ARC, and MMA welding without requiring external shielding gas. Its lightweight, compact design makes it perfect for home repairs, maintenance work, mobile welding, and DIY projects. Featuring stable inverter technology and user-friendly controls, it delivers dependable welding performance while remaining easy to transport and operate. Number 4. 2-in-1 MIG MMA Inverter Welding Machine. This 2-in-1 MIG and MMA welding machine features advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable arc performance, automatic wire feeding, and improved welding efficiency. Designed for 220V operation, it offers reliable performance for steel fabrication, equipment maintenance, and DIY metalworking. Its compact design, energy-efficient operation, and simple controls make it suitable for both experienced welders and beginners alike. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 6-in-1 Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 combines 6 welding processes including MIG, Flux Core, Stick, Lift TIG, and aluminum MIG in one versatile machine. Supporting both 110V and 220V input, it delivers up to 200A of output with intelligent inverter technology for smooth, consistent welds. Its user-friendly interface, portable design, and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for fabrication shops, automotive repair, and professional welding tasks. Number 2. MIG 135 Plus LED MIG/MMA Welding Machine. The MIG 135 Plus is a compact and beginner-friendly welding machine designed for MIG, MMA, and Flux Core welding applications. Featuring an easy-to-read LED display, automatic parameter adjustment, stable arc technology, and compatibility with 220V power, it delivers reliable welding performance for home repairs, garage projects, and small workshops. The included welding helmet provides added convenience and safety right out of the box. Number 1. MIG 205 DP 10-in-1 Multi-Process Welding Machine. The MIG 205 DP is a powerful 10-in-1 welding machine supporting MIG, TIG, plasma cutting, MMA, Flux Core, spot welding, and cleaning functions. Compatible with both 110V and 220V power, it offers exceptional flexibility for professionals and serious DIY users. Its intelligent digital controls, stable arc performance, and efficient inverter technology make it ideal for automotive repair, fabrication, maintenance, and metalworking. These 5 welding machines provide outstanding performance, versatile welding capabilities, and dependable reliability for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you need an advanced multi-process welder or a compact portable machine for home projects, these models offer excellent value, stable arc performance, and modern inverter technology for a wide variety of welding applications.